Alright guys, so welcome to today's video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to verify emails. Alright, bulk emails without paying a dime. Now this tutorial is going to be very short because I don't want it to be long and I don't want to stress you, so I'll just go straight to it. I will show you how to verify your emails with Google own tool. Alright, so this is a very powerful tool that is owned by Google. Majority of you don't know about it, but in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use it to verify emails for free. Now this is the name of the Google tool we are going to be using. I'm going to leave it in the description. And once you visit the site, make sure you are logged into your Gmail account. Your Gmail is signed into your Chrome browser. Once you visit the website, it will bring you to this first page. So the first thing you have to do is just to click on new notebook. That is the first. So we're going to wait for it to load. So once it's finished loading, we're going to be doing a couple of things. All right, and it's very straightforward. Now once it loads, just click on this and exit. Now once it loads, this is how the interface is going to be. All right, so first of all, we're going to be getting emails. We are going to be verifying. All right, so we're going to be getting emails. So let's just go to ChatGPT, and if we click on this, so let us go to ChatGPT, and we're just going to tell ChatGPT to give us random emails. And mind you, this tool here can verify thousands and thousands of emails. I've used it. This is a tutorial. That is what I use. Although I have other tools I use which are very expensive, which are paid. Like I have what is it called? Email Verifier Pro. That one is $400 per month, which you have to buy your own VPS. And sorry, is it $400 for the license, not per month, for the license. You have to buy your own VPS, your own domain, and you have to do the configuration, hosting it. And if I won't even advise anybody to get that except you are into something serious. Alright, but if maybe you are just starting out, you don't have any cash, even if you have cash, this is still the best. Alright, it's free, you can verify as many as you want, and it's very easy to use. So just follow my steps. Alright, so I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to generate random emails for us that we're going to be verifying. So the first thing we're going to do is going to be like generate random emails for verification. Sorry, generate random emails for me. So let us okay. Sorry, Gmail to be specific. So this is just a tutorial, so let's just go with Gmails. And what we're going to do is these are the Gmails ChatGPT generated. So what we are going to do is, so the first thing you need to do is to open a note tab and paste these emails. Alright, so open a note tab, paste these emails, and you know what, I'm going to be adding one of my emails, which is Donald Macron at gmail.com. Alright, this is one of my valid email address, so I'm going to be adding it. And I'm also going to be adding another email address that doesn't exist at all. So let's just say use this at gmail.com. Alright, so let's see if we don't know if these Gmails are the ones that ChatGPT give us. Some might be correct, some might not be correct, some might be valid, some might not be valid. So at least to clear our doubt, this is one of my valid emails, and I'm very sure that this email is not valid. And if we should test it and go to, so let us go to gmail.com. Alright, so let us go to gmail.com and let's see. So if we paste it here, click on next. So you can see couldn't find your Google account. That is to say this Gmail is non-existent. So we're just going to go with that. Now once you do that, we're going to save it. So let us save our notepad to desktop folder. So I save it to my desktop folder as unverified test mails. Alright, so let's head back to our tool now and just follow me step by step. The first thing you are going to do is to click on here where it says connect. So we're just going to take a few seconds and it will be connected. So as you can see, it has turned to green, and as you can see, it says connected. Now all you have to do next is to come to this first start coding. The first thing you have to do is just to type in pip install DNS Python. Alright, it's very important. Then click on the play button and it will take a few seconds for it to download. As you can see, successfully installed. Now just hover to the middle of this and click on plus code. Now we're going to be pasting a code here. So and so this is the, so I've copied the code, and this code was built by me. So I'm just going to paste everything here. I'm just going to click on play. Alright, so once we click on play, it's going to show us ignore this error. Alright, doesn't mean just ignore the error, and you're just going to click on choose files. Alright, so once we click on choose files, so we're going to locate where we stored our what is it called, our emails. Click on it and open. Alright, so automatically it will start verifying our emails. As you can see, once it finishes, it's very fast. That is, it is very fast. Believe me, you can verify 10,000 emails in order, let me just say 30 minutes. 10,000 emails in 30 minutes. Now once it finishes, it automatically downloads your emails. Or as you can see, email validation result. As you can see, validation complete, results saved to email validation results. Now as I've said before, I included one of my email that is valid and one that is not valid. So let's check our CSV. I'll click on open. So let's just separate. So as you can see, all the emails are valid, and if we want to see if it's true, so let us copy this first one. As you can see, this is the one of my emails I added that I said it is mine. Or as you can see, it's valid. And this is the random emails I said it's not valid that I just typed. And if we want to actually confirm if these emails are valid, all we have to do is to go to Gmail. So let us type gmail.com, click on enter, and so we're just going to click on sign in. Let's click on sign in to Gmail. So once we click on sign in, we're just going to paste the first valid Gmail we copy. We're just going to click on next. Now if you request for password, as you can see, it's requesting for password. We don't know who owns this Gmail, but it's requesting for password, meaning it is valid. Right, so we're just going to go back because, and we're going to copy another, we're going to copy another Gmail. So let's just scroll down. Let's just copy this one randomly. Copy this one and let's head back to our. So we're just going to remove this and we're going to paste this Gmail. We're going to click next. Then might ask us to do something. So we're just going to click next. So let's just wait. Okay, confirm you're not a robot. So we just confirm we are not a robot and we are going to click on next. So let's see if it will request for a password. As you can see, this email is also requesting for a password. That is to tell you it's valid. Now we are going to try the invalid one, which is this that we copy initially, to see if it will ask for password. And if it doesn't ask for password, that is to confirm that it is invalid. I'm going to click on next and couldn't find your Google account. So that is to tell you that this email is the only email among all these emails that are not valid. I don't want this video to be long. I would have tested everything. As you can see, this is one of my Gmail accounts and is on the valid email column. So I'm pretty sure it's working and it's valid. Now, as I've said before, that is just how to use this tool. It's very fast and very easy to use. Within 30 minutes, I verified with my other accounts. I verified 10,000 emails, and all you have to do is just to paste the email, and the tool will automatically verify. And everything is being done using Google DNS and everything relating to Google. Alright, so all you have to do, if you need the script, which is this script, so just hit me up, alright, and I will send you the script. Also, if you want to check out the site, I will leave the site in the description below. And please subscribe to the video. And again, one major issue people do have is email verification. No matter how good your SMTP is, if your emails are not well verified, it might harm the reputation of your SMTP and none of your emails will get delivered. And if you're also looking for how to build a reliable SMTP, you can kindly watch the video uh, that is showing on the screen and you will be good to go. So kindly subscribe. Peace. See you in my next video.